Indus Delta should be declared a protected area with guaranteed water flow. The International Commission of Experts should be commissioned to empirically establish ecological impact of upstream diversion on Indus Delta. And lastly, Sindh views the so-called corporate farming as means to establish of colonial settlements in Sindh. It is a process of colonization of Sindh, and thus Sindh demands allotment of corporate farming should be cancelled, and if needed, be allotted to indigenous people. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and thank you very much for coming.
Dr. Wali Sheikh, as a part of vote of thanks, I would like to request the SANA President, Dr. Maqbool Halekota, to come on stage. And I would also like to request all the speakers to please come up, because we will be presenting them with a token of appreciation. All speakers, please.
One word with the river. Indus should be ate. Let the Indus river flow.
ग्रुप फोटो थी भैया नाम
जावेद साहब, राजू लखे साहब, वरना अच्छा यार